You can see obviously there is a security presence at the airport, a heightened security presence. And we did hear earlier that anti-terror units have been deployed in Larnaca in the airport. A Cypriot foreign ministry official says that the person who hijacked the flight has yet to make any demands. So if you are just joining us, this is the news that a domestic Egypt Air flight travelling from Alexandria to Cairo has been hijacked and forced to land in Larnaca, Cyprus. According to an airport official at the site, there are 5 passengers remaining on board the aircraft, and all of the crew are still on board too. The rest of the passengers have been allowed to leave the aircraft.